In today's lesson, we want to practice, looking at practice exercise 4. So what are we going to learn from practice exercise 4? Question yedu number 1 iri kuti write the following numbers in expanded notation. So before we get into this exercise, what I encourage is tangai matomboisa ma exercise E. Makapausa this video, then kana mapedza you unpause. Might unpause the video, then you see if your answers agree with my answers. That's how you best learn. Mathematics is an active technical science. You learn through implementation, you learn through practice. You do not learn through rote memorization, kana kuti not rote learning. Saka, we want to write the following numbers in expanded notation, starting with number 1, 41,357. Saka trick yatakadzidzisa ndeyekuti tichatanga tanyora 4 to replace amwe semanamba nema0 kureva kuti tinge tina 40,000 toti plus 1 to replace a futi 1,000 plus 300 plus 50 plus 7. That is writing 41,357 in expanded notation. Number 2, 92,665 is going to be equal to 90,000 plus 20,000 and it plus 2,000 plus 600 plus 60 plus 5, like that. Number 3, 36,219 is equal to 30,000 plus 6,000 plus 200 plus 10 plus 9, like that. Number 4, 124,692 is equal to 100,000 plus 20,000 plus 4,000 plus 600 plus 90 plus 2, like that. Number 5, 345,876 is equal to 300,000 plus 40,000 plus 5,000 plus 800 plus 70 plus 6. Saka I hope muri kuona zvatiri kuita. Totanga tanyora 3 to replace amwe semanamba nema0, then in succession tichazonyora 4 to replace amwe nema0, tonyora 5, 8, 7, then lastly tichanyora 6. Number 6, 823,478 inge equal to 800,000 plus 20,000 plus 3,000 plus 400 plus 70 plus 8, like that. Number 7, 879,546 is equal to 800,000 plus 70,000 plus 9,000 plus 500 plus 40 plus 6, like that. That's number 7. Number 8, 800,410 is equal to 800,000. Then since pana papaina 0 apa paina 0 kureva kuti hapana zvatinonyora plus takutongotangira pana 400 plus 10. Since the last unit iri 0 atinyore futi. So this becomes 800,000 plus 400 plus 10. Saka number 8, be more careful of situations like this, which we also get at number 9. 906,007 will just be 900,000. Toskipa ina 0 toenda panapa plus 6,000. Toskipa ma 0 2 aya tot plus chi 7, like that. Then lastly, number 10, 999,862 is equal to 900,000 plus 90,000 plus 9,000 plus 800 plus 60 plus 2, like that. So these are the first 10 questions which we have done successfully. I hope you were learning, and I also hope Pamash you found your answers also correct. If not, you have to write corrections. Complete the expanded notation by filling in the missing values in the boxes. So takuda chita number 11 up to number 20. So we have to fill in the missing numbers or missing values in the boxes. So 11 yakatichi 120,450 inenge equal to 100,000 yanyorwa plus 20,000 ikanyorwa plus saka takutangira panani uyu pana 0 apa sachapa skipa takuenda pana 4 panapa kurauti plus 400 plus 50. 400 ndo iri mu box, like this. We go to number 12. 111,563 is equal to iri box ekutanga, that's 100,000. Anditi then tongokopa zvimwe sezva zviri plus 10,000 plus 1,000 plus 500 plus 60 plus 3. Number 13, 315,487 is equal to 300,000 yakanyorwa plus 10,000 ikanyorwa plus 5,000 ikanyorwa, saka chisina kunyorwa chiri next, it's 400 plus 80 plus 7, so 400 ndo iri box. Okay. Number 14, 605,922 is equal to 600,000. Toskipa ina 0, that's why vavavatishi plus saka 5 nema 03, which is 5,000. Those are in box. You have to be careful for number 14. It's a tricky question. Tozoti plus chi 900 plus 20 plus 2, like that. Number 15, 615,478 is equal to 600,000 yakanyorwa plus 10,000 yakanyorwa plus chisina kunyorwa 5,000 iri kutevera, then inobva yava chi plus 400 plus 70 plus 8, like this. Number 16, 735,104 is equal to 700,000 yakanyorwa chisina kunyorwa ndi 30,000 iri kutevera, then plus 5,000 plus 100, then tozoti plus 4 because under tens tina 0, which is serving its purpose as a placeholder. Number 17, 897,621 is equal to 800,000 yakanyorwa plus 90,000 yakanyorwa plus 7,000 plus 600 plus 20 isina kunyorwa ndiani plus 1, which is under units, like this. Then 18, 936,854 iri equal to chisina kutanga kunyorwa panapa, it's actually 900,000. inoyo inotanga plus 30,000 plus 6,000 plus 800 plus 50 plus 4, 19. 963,477 is equal to, tunotanga na 900,000 isina kunyorwa, tobva tati this is number 19, okay, plus 60,000 plus 3,000 plus 400 isina kunyorwa futi plus 70 yakanyorwa plus 7, like that. Then lastly, number 20, 989,786 is equal to 900,000 plus 80,000. Saka 900,000 aina kunyorwa, 80,000 plus 9,000 plus 700 plus 80 plus 6. So this is our practice exercise yanga iri on finding the value of numbers through expanding, kana kuti expanded notation. In our next lesson, we are going to start learn about comparing numbers. Thank you and take care.